Hello, everybody. How are you? I hope you are doing well, and nice to meet you again. Here today, we are going to talk about the art of descriptive writing. I'm Ibrahim Muhammad, and nice to meet you. Let's start. Yes. First of all, descriptive writing paints with words. In our lesson, we are going to learn how to use vivid language, sensory details, and figurative language to create a descriptive paragraph that paints a clear picture for the reader. Now, let's start with the warm up. Yes, close your eyes. Imagine your favorite place. It could be a beach, a park, or your bedroom, or even a cafe. Think about what you see, what you hear, and what you feel, or even taste. Jot down few words or phrases that come to your mind. Okay? You have 3 minutes to 5 minutes to do this. Okay? Yes. Done? Okay. So please share your words and phrases with the classmate, with your friends. You can work in pairs or in groups, okay? And tell me, why did you choose those details? Tell me why you choose those details. Okay, let's move on. Yeah. First of all, when we want to write, it's better for us to walk up your writing. What does it mean by walk up your writing? It means using more sensory details that give more detail to the writing. What are the sensory details? Sensory details comes from senses. So what are our five senses? Yes, okay. Let's see. The first one is what? I use sight. Okay. And then yes, when I'm talking about sight, we describe colors, shape, signs, and etc. And what about sound? What comes in your ears? Okay, we can use words like sizzle, whisper, and crash. Nice. And smell. You can even use smell if you eat something, if you are talking about the scent of flowers or food or even the rain. You can also use the touch. Yes. Describe textures like smooth, like rough, like soft, and all of this. So when you use more sensory details in your writing, it gives clear picture to your writings, like these. Yeah, these are the five senses that we have to bear in mind when we use descriptive writing. So let's take some examples. First of all, the sight. Yes, for example, the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in streaks of orange and pink. Another example, using the sound, the salty breeze carried the faint sound of crashing waves. Okay, nice. Using your touch, for example, the sand still warm from the day's heat, squished between my toes. Let's say the taste. I could taste the tang sea salt on my lips. Let's move to another way of descriptive writing, another element that it's better also to use vivid language and also be specific. What does it mean? Let's see this example. Avoid the direct description like this, which is better to say the food was good or to say use this nice description. The warm, buttery croissant melted in my mouth. So here it gives, the second one gives us more description to the food that we are eating. So it's better to describe, use more vivid language to give a clear picture of what we do. Another element of descriptive writing is figurative language. Figurative language add more creativity, to our description. So what are the elements of figurative language? Can you remember? Can you tell me some of this figurative language? Yes, good. The other one, nice. Using figurative language like a simile. Do you remember what a simile is? A simile when I want to compare two things using, or three things using what, like, and as. Okay, for example, I can say the dog like a lion. So I can use words like as and like. What else? We have a metaphor. A metaphor is another type of figurative language. And also we compare, yes, what we do in the metaphor, we'll compare two things together, but not using as or like, okay? And another one of figurative language. So there are many figurative language, but are these most common one? Personification. What is the personification? What is personification? It's when give human qualities to non-human qualities. Okay. Yes, let's try this example. Look at this picture and try to describe something in this picture. The tree, the people, the street, any part of this picture. And don't forget to use some sensory details. Try to use vivid language and also figurative language. Okay. Descriptive writing, putting it together. When I use these elements of descriptive language, it gives what we say clear, use sensory details, vivid language, and figurative language. Create vivid picture in your reader's mind. Yes, let's reflect something. Yeah, think about any of your favorite sensory details from stories or poems, and how do they make the writing more interesting? How would make the writing more interesting? Yeah, at last, next step, practice your skills. Try writing a short paragraph describing your favorite place, but do not forget to use sensory details, vivid language, and figurative language. And then, after you finish your writing, share your writing with your classmate. Thank you for listening. I hope you are doing well and see you. Thank you.